Hello and welcome back to the video. My name is Andrew Kuhn with Focus Compounding. Thank you so much for tuning with me. In today's video, we are going to be going over 5 business books on the more obscure side that you should take a look at. So if this is the first time that you're tuning in with me, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up, and check out all the other content that my partner Geoff Gannon and I produce. We have a podcast on the Podbean and the iPhone or iOS app that has over 120 different podcasts with everything investing related. Tons of fun. We've been doing it for a little bit over a year and a half now. Check out our website where we blog about investing ideas at focuscompounding.com. You can get free ideas at focuscompoundinggazette.com. And then we actually manage capital for clients and investors as well at focuscompoundingcapitalmanagement.com. Check out all the past videos. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. We're pumping out 3 videos a week and we're having a lot of fun doing it. So in today's video, we're going to be going over 5 business books that you've probably not heard of. Probably about a month ago, I had tweeted out, sort of a call for book suggestions by all of my followers. I like obscure business books and I specifically asked for more obscure, the better, for book recommendations. Of course, I got people that recommended, Walter Isaacson's Steve Jobs, Richard Branson's Losing My Virginity, Phil Knight's Shoe Dog, all incredible books that I have read, but I really like the more obscure ones, that are tended to be less known. I think it's a lot of fun to read about those businesses. So I got a bunch of recommendations. I'm going to post a link to that down low if you want to read that list. A lot of people chimed in. There's probably over 100 different books, so definitely take a look at that. But the first one I'm going to recommend today is Last Man Standing by Duff McDonald. This book is written about Jamie Dimon, the CEO and chairman of JP Morgan, but it goes back to before his career even began. And it's incredibly interesting. Jamie Dimon was a young hotshot. I think in his early 30s, he was already having a ton of responsibility. It goes through his relationship with Sandy Weil. Then it goes to, sticking by Weil's side and actually the formation of Citigroup. And then it just continues on. And his life is incredible. And what I thought was actually pretty interesting was his long-standing relationship with Warren Buffett, even before, back to his 30s and 40s. So it's an incredibly interesting book. Definitely take a look at that. I would recommend that to everyone. Number 2, My Father's Business by Cal Turner Jr. This book was recommended to me on that Twitter thread that I referenced. This is about Dollar General. Cal Turner Sr. started the business, and then Cal Turner Jr. eventually took the business over and helped scale it from really being a family-run company to more of like a corporate organization. It's a fantastic read. Definitely take a look at it. Obviously, there's a ton of Dollar Generals now, so it's cool just to go back and really read about it from the entrepreneur's mind of scaling it, from one store to, effectively what it is today. A great read. Take a look at it. And like I said, that is on Dollar General. Number 3, Quench Your Own Thirst. Jeff had recommended this book to me by Jim Cook, who is the CEO of Samuel Adams. Again, this was all through his eyes of, even before starting Sam Adams and scaling it to the business that it is today. It's a fantastic read, and sort of the common theme between all these books is just how much business really is putting out fires. But, if you stay consistent, if you're persistent, you can really persevere and, scale it as best as you can. I love it. I love these books. Number 4, Confidence Game by Christine Richard. This book is written about Bill Ackman and his fight against MBIA. This is an incredible book. And I think everybody here will, like it. I've listened to that book on Audible, and I also own it and have read it, a hard copied as well. It's pretty extensive. You'll learn a lot about Bill Ackman's life, his persistence as well, and eventually being right about MBIA and making a ton of money for his investors. So definitely take a look at that video or at that book. And then number 5 is Junk to Gold by Willis Johnson, which is about Copart, which is a Dallas-ran company now. But again, it goes back to him starting Copart, sort of what influenced him to start Copart, and then scaling the business to the size that it is today. So those are 5 obscure business books that you probably have never heard of. Like I said, I love obscure business books, so definitely put in the comments section if you have any other recommendations. They tend to be what I really enjoy reading. So definitely let me know which books you like. But I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video here today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, thumbs this video up, and check out all of our other content. I want to thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.